how to alphabetize in Google Docs. Here you can see multiple words. Now I want to alphabetize all the words. For that, first of all, go to extension and then add-ons to get add-ons. Here you can see a new window. Search here for shorted paragraph and search for shorted paragraph, and then you can see multiple option. Select first one and then click to install. Now click to continue and then select a mail, continue and then allow. Now it's installing. Click to done and close the window. Now I want to alphabetize all the words. Select all the words, go to extension, shorted paragraph. Now you can short it to A to G or G to A. Now it's alphabetized. That's it. Very simple to do. If you think this is helpful, consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.